This is Kate. Kate works in production planning in her company. She makes sure that her colleagues in production receive material and that finished products are picked up from the line. Kate's boss has given her the task of making the material flow more efficient. Kate has an idea. She wants to introduce a tugger train system, a small internal logistics train consisting of a tractor and trailers. Kate's boss likes the idea, but Kate has a problem. Many different sizes of crates and pallets have to be transported. There are sharp bends on the track and only little space. In addition, the train has to run outside between the buildings. Kate cannot find a suitable trailer and is desperate, but she does not have to. Because that is what MWM is for, the tugger train factory for moving solutions. Unlike many providers on the market, we adapt our trailers to Kate's needs. We select the trailer, the steering system, and the equipment options to fit Kate's problem exactly. With our taxi liner, Kate can transport containers of different sizes with one trailer through our all-in-one solution. With our patented steering system, SpurTrack, Kate can take tight curves and the last trailer still keeps its track. From our options, we choose for Kate a cover for the taxi liner as well as a trailer lighting and our patented SpurTrack steering system. So the train can drive outside in wind and weather and in the dark between the hauls. Kate is relieved. Her employees who work with the trailers are delighted. Kate's boss is satisfied. And we at MWM are happy. MWM, the tugger train factory for moving solutions.